Hi, in this video we will show you how to sign up for a Neteller account step by step. For those who may not know, Neteller is a really popular money transfer service. You will need to access Neteller's official website at neteller.com. Go to the Join for Free section in the upper right corner of the page. There you will have to enter your first and last name, email address, and create a password. Make sure you use one uppercase letter, 8 characters, and one number or symbol. Click Register Now. You will be sent to your dashboard, where you can send and receive money. Explore the options. You can deposit, withdraw, and transfer money. Go to the Account tab and choose to make a deposit by clicking the green Get Started button. Set up your country and currency before all. Note that you won't be able to change the currency, so make sure that you choose the currency that you intend to use the most with your account. You will now have to provide more information in order to be able to get receipts and prove that you are eligible to make transactions. This stands as an account verification procedure, which we will get into more in the next video on how to verify your Neteller account. See you next time!